Hi everyone, welcome to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel Arce, well known to be the Ultimate Gardener, and today's exciting sprouting video we'll be discussing about planting hardy hibiscus in the ground. Let's jump right into this video. So Ultimate Gardeners, if you recall about like 2 videos ago before the giveaway, I made a video on how to plant hardy hibiscus in containers. Well, I also posted a photo on the Proven Winners Facebook group page on the project I did, and I got a little bit of constructive criticism from every Proven Winner fan. So everybody who has grown Proven Winners hardy hibiscus gave me a tip in saying that that container was too small for such a big plant. So when everybody started commenting this and letting me know that it was too small, I decided to dig them up and plant them in the front of my house because they're such a beautiful plant and I don't want to give them to waste. So I'm listening to the constructive criticism and I'm planting them out in front where they'll be able to grow as big as they want to. So I want to discuss with you guys about how to grow the Holy Grail Summerific Hibiscus from the Proven Winners plant line. No, this is not promo, neither this is an ad. I just wanted to show you guys how to plant this plant because I've been seeing it get popular lately. So let me move the camera and let's discuss about plant tips. So to main gardeners, I already had and I dig the hole where this was gonna be. So I'm not gonna apply any starter fertilizer granule wise, but when we're watering this after the video, I will be putting Vermistera earthworm casting tea with the liquid so it could give them an automatic feed because earthworm castings is like black gold. I love earthworm castings and it makes the plants grow big and healthy and super beautiful. So now it's time to plant. So here's the tag. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna plant this beauty. So that root system still looks beautiful. We're gonna place it down in the hole like so. Then we're gonna pre-fill with the soil again. Like so. And you are done. Super easy to plant. I love this plant, absolutely. And I know you guys will too. Such a beautiful plant and amazing too. So now let's go ahead and discuss about care tips. So to main gardeners, a few care tips for the hardy hibiscus is they require 6 to 7+ hours of direct sunlight in order to thrive. They like moist soil but not wet feet, so make sure the area retains a little bit of moisture but does not clog up the water below it. Number 3, they do like to have a slow release fertilizer every season, so in spring and summer that's the best time to fertilize for them so they can get a constant slow release fertilizer here and there while they're growing. I know pest is a huge attractant when it comes to hardy hibiscus, so spray with an all-organic neem oil when the leaves are starting to emerge, and then when the plants are mature, you can spray it every 2 months. I know you do have to prune back the plant towards the end of the season, so I'm gonna make a care guide on video on specifically that towards the end of the season when they're ready to die back. So thank you all so much for watching this video. If you learned something new, please leave a like down below, and while you're down there, please consider subscribing to show your amazing support towards the Ultimate Gardening channel, and please share with your friends and families to help other generations learn where the flowers come from, but not only that, learn how to grow it. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.